Hello everyone, I am so excited that you are watching my video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch it. I pray that you and your family are doing well and that you guys are staying safe. I am going to make an elegant mirror today. Here are the supplies you will need, and the list will be in the description box. I will be making two sconces with this same poster board, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out the back of both of my sconces. Please come back to my channel on Tuesday and watch how I make two elegant sconces out of this cardboard. Right now I'm measuring how wide I want my sconces to be. It will be 4.5 inches wide. After I finish drawing my line on the board, then I'm going to take my box cutter and cut my board. I only applied a little pressure while using this box cutter because I didn't want to cut the table runner. This box cutter makes it so much easier for me to cut the board before using my scissors. I would like to take this moment out to welcome my first time viewers to Monica Monet Collection. Thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Go ahead on and push that subscribe button, like button, and turn your notification bell on so you can know every time I upload a video. And to my supporting, loving family members that come back and watch my channel and leave a comment, I appreciate you guys from where? The bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. After I finish cutting the two parts of the boards that I will be using for my sconces, I will be taking the remainder of the board to create my mirror. I'm using my measuring tape to measure around my mirror so that it can be centered correctly. The next thing I'm going to do is glue my mirror to my board. Once I've glued down my mirror, now I'm going to place my napkin rings around my mirror. After I finish placing all my napkin rings on top of my board, then I'm going to cut off the rest of the board that I do not need. I'm going to do is glue all my napkin rings to my board. After that, I'm going to glue some gems on top of my napkin rings. My final step, I'm going to put a little bling around the bottom of my board. This way it will hide the little white part that's at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is just take some strips of diamond wrap and glue it around the bottom of my board. Okay, I am finished. This project was so simple. I hope you like it. And here is the final look of my mirror. Please come back on Tuesday of next week and watch the sconces that I will be making to go along with this mirror. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on, and share this video. And please come back and watch plenty more of my videos to come. Thank you. I appreciate you, and have a great day.